Good morning. Today is Monday, June 24th, 2024. I am here at Lakeshore Boulevard. This is a before/inspection video of Sweet Freedom. So your running gear is pretty intense right now. Paint looks like it's holding up pretty well. I'm going to double check, clean it all up. It took me a little while. There was a lot of this, a little bit of rope, looks like some trash bags were caught around your port prop, so I pulled those off. So I'm going to keep those up there just so they don't get attached again. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. I can't really speculate how much it's going to take. Let me call Dane first, but I think it's maybe an hour and a half.